Hello and welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. I am Muskan and today we have our special guest, Akash Ram. So, Akash Ram just cleared his TCS interview. So, Akash, please introduce yourself before we start the podcast.
Yeah. Hi, I am Akash. I am from Electronics and Communication Engineering background. I have completed my undergraduate in RMK Engineering College, Chennai. Recently, I have got placed in TCS Digital.
Okay, that's great.
That's it.
So, which year pass out you are, Akash, and what is your salary package?
I am 2025 year passed out. My salary package is, I think, so around 7 LPA.
7 LPA.
Yes,
Okay, so Akash, when and how did you get to know about this hiring? Was it on campus or off campus?
it's off campus. Hiring, I know in whether in on campus also. In on campus also, I appeared and I have rejected it. And again, I have appeared in off campus. In that, I have selected.
So you have appeared two times, you're saying.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So can you just like tell us what happened at first, then why did you got second chance? Also, was it for everyone in your batch?
Yes, no, in 2025, normally in off-campus NQT, everyone appeared and uh, some for some reasons, most of the 90% members have rejected due to the mass rejection. And again, from this month, I think so in January end, it's a very really shock to us. They have called to most of the candidates, and they have for I think so for the digital and prime candidates, they gave a direct interview chance, and for some ninja candidates they gave coding test, and for some of them also directly virtual discussion. So like that I also get the call, and I also get the chance to in for interview in virtual discussion, and I have cracked it.
Okay, okay. So like you just have to give second time interview, or you also gave NQT again.
No ma'am, my second just interview ma'am, not NQT again, just interview.
Okay, okay, that's great. Okay. So can you just tell us like how you prepared for it before we just dig into how many rounds were there?
First of all, I think so. I was the last phase in while writing the NQT. So there are a lot of my friends in before phase. They have told that it was repeating from previous year question paper. So at the time, I have bought the crack course from online study for you. I think so. Most of the questions are repeating from that. And other than that, I have prepared what in crash course. Apart from that, I have nothing prepared. Literally 90% of the question portions were covered. It's mostly and repeating.
Okay, so like crash course was helpful for you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you just tell us in detail about the number of rounds or the return, then technical, everything like the first phase or second phase? Just tell us about that.
First, it's everyone known. First, I have appeared for NQT exam. I think so. At the time, it was some phase. I was the last phase. I think so. So I have gathered information from all my before batches. So according to that, I prepared. And yes, for every phase test is over, that question also are discussed in YouTube channels on study for you. So that also I have prepared the same model only repeating in my phase also. So according to that, I prepared, and coding. I think so. I have passed one code. I have passed just six text cases. One coding I have passed. Other coding I didn't even pass. I didn't even want to pass. That's it. Next, I have appeared for technical interview. There are
No,
totally
no.
three interviewers.
First
They
there was
have
only Akash. I'm asking about the written round first. Like, just tell us about the
uh,
questions also which were asked from you.
I think most of the questions in aptitude was repeating was data interpretation and percentage and profit and loss. In data interpretation itself, profit and loss that combined problems are came. Most of the questions are repeating from that. And there will be an advanced aptitude, advanced aptitude also same model and simplification and I think so permutation and combination interest and simple interest. This like most of the questions are repeated. That's it.
Okay, and the coding one?
The coding one, I don't know exactly what the coding was asked, but it was some one coding was something related to sorting. The other one, I don't know what was asked. It was
Okay, you
several months
don't
ago, so
remember.
I'm not able to remember. Uh,
Okay, okay, not a problem. So was all this covered in the crash course, or you
uh,
also did from somewhere else?
I have only prepared to 3 to 4 weeks. That's it. 3 to 4 weeks I spent it in crash course. Other than that, apart from that, I didn't prepare anything.
Okay, that's really great that you cracked it. Okay, so that was about the written part. Okay, so let's come to your
Yes, ma'am.
twice interviews. Just tell us about both the kind of interviews and what was the difference between them, and what mistake you did for which you got rejected and then you got selected. So tell us about that.
The first interview was it was totally three TR, MR, HR, and three of them there. I think so. In that interview, every questions was asked what we expect. Every questions were expected questions. I have before the interview, I prepared some certain number of questions for a week. Everything was covered in that question. Apart from that, it's also nothing came. Generally, I have put in C programming as my major, so they asked most of the questions from it. They asked the OOPS concept, and they told me to write a bubble sort program. So I shown. Apart from that, I am from EC background, so I have explained my projects in my. No, so they told me to draw block diagrams. So I have shown it, drawn and shown it, and some situation based questions. Uh, and they have started asking some machine learning question that also I have explained it. Uh, I think so. Every question was known. I have said everything. Just a one question on they started about asking some AI questions. I have tried to explain them, but they said that we are not. The interviewer said that we are not asking this. We are asking the difference. That I tried to explain them. After that, I said that no, sir, I am from electronics background. So as for my consent, I have this. So my interviewers, three members also, they are very chill type. So every question was expected question only. Other than that, they didn't ask anything. It was, I
Okay.
will say, I will not say it will hard or medium. It's a medium level only, but we will expect some hard questions, some DSA, some OOPS. Everything was that only covered.
Yeah. So this was about your first
It's not
interview.
anything new. Yeah.
You were not audible. Can you repeat again?
And then that and then they asked the location if they put in north side whether it's okay for you like that they asked. I said that yeah everything I said that okay.
Okay,
They
okay.
asked
So
you
you
are whether
didn't
you are
deny
holding
for
any other
anything.
offers.
Okay, okay.
Right.
So that was just about your first interview, or you covered both of the interviews?
First interview, second interview is for most of the candidates they have face to face interview, but for me it came in digital discussion. So in digital discussion they have just checked they have asked whether you are currently placed or not, currently whether you are employed or not, and they asked they verified my background, and they so to share screen on my consolidated mark sheet. They have just background verification. Other than that, the interview they have nothing asked. They ask whether it's immediately joined, whether it's okay for you. That's it. Only HR questions were asked in this interview.
Okay, okay. So any kind of exact question you remember, if you can recall?
Exact in interview,
Yeah, yeah.
in last interview, the exact question says they asked about me at overriding, overloading, and they told me to write bubble sort program. And I am from EC background. Say they asked some about diodes. what is Zener diode, and so they told me to draw it, and they asked about some truth tables to draw and like to write. That's it. Uh, that's it. They asked
So how
me
long
how,
was okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, speak.
yeah, they asked me how will you rate for you in C programming, like that they asked. I have said that 8.5, like that. Why you are yeah, reducing mark for you, one or two marks for you itself asked. I said that yeah, sir, I can say I will know that, but I will not say anything. No one can be accepting everything. I can like that. I said, they said that okay.
So how long was both of the interviews, like the first and then the second? Like 1 hour, 15 minutes, or half an
The
hour?
first interview will be the first interview will be around I think so 25 minutes. First interview. This last final interview will be it's just 5 minutes, I think so.
Final was for
The
how
first
long?
interview will be around 5 minutes. That's just 5 minutes.
Okay, okay. That was
Last
quite
interview
fast.
25 minutes, around 25 minutes they asked.
Okay, okay. So how long was the process from the beginning to the interview? And when are you joining?
Joining date still not came. Only offer letter I have received.
Okay, okay.
Yesterday we have received offer letter.
Okay, so how long
So
was it
joining
from
date,
starting to
I
the
think
end?
so. I have appeared for I written NQT exam in April 2025.
Okay, from
Next I have
April 2025.
attended the, yeah, yeah. It's a long process. Next I have attended interview in May, and next we after 4 months we have, I think, I can't remember, after some days we have received a rejected mail, and that we received here in the last month end we have received another call survey mail from TCS in rehiring
Okay,
2025.
okay.
This process was entered in
So,
very
yeah,
just in two to
yeah.
three weeks it was entered.
Okay, okay. So how was your overall experience?
Overall experience
Hectic.
was good, but we should stay, yeah, we should stay, yeah, patience. That's it.
Yeah. Okay, so and lastly, any tips for students?
Any tips? Yeah, the time is there. I think so. Now only they have announced again off-campus hiring for 2025, 2026, and 2024. So the time is there. Just started 3 to 4 weeks is enough. So we just start preparing previous year question paper. The 3 to 4 weeks you should prepare full-fledgedly. I have spent more times because the if we prepared only, most of the members, if we prepare only a month, then we should spend more time on it. So spend more time, and definitely every if they use online study for YouTube channel, that will be very helpful for your NQT preparation, and definitely you can create it.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much for your time, Aman. Your information was very valuable for all of us. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.